was expensive.
Okay, cut.
So where are we, Beverly?
We are in Oceanside, California, actually right down on the beach. Ray and I have said that we are sure that we've been here before, but not all the way down here and looking at it, but it's beautiful. Lots of new development, beautiful condominiums and homes going up. It's like a nice strand. Take a shot and look and see the fog's coming in.
Got a little fog rolling in. Nice beach here. A lot of new places here. And this is the area of Camp Pendleton that people live when they are stationed here at Camp Pendleton. So it's probably primarily military, but very nice. So the military has
this is what the military can buy you. I wouldn't mind.
Attracted in order to attract people, you have to have a nice place to live. This is not bad at all.
That's a nice pier, all clean.
Okay, well, let's just move on. We're just on an adventure. Okay. Where are we, Beverly?
Encinitas, California, in the El Callejón restaurant.
Wow. That allows doggies. Okay. Bye. You're not that way.
It's not on. Where are you, doggies? Where are you, doggies? Where are you? Big helicopters? Police going by?
Yeah.
We must be in Oceanside.
Well, that's good.
Look at that.
The military.
Walk out there and take a video of the ocean.
Real nice. Hi, boys. You like going to the beach, huh?
Get a drink of water.
Get some water, Pepper.
Come on, Pep, drink of water. Drink of water. Well, then I'm going to drink it.
You like the beach, Pepper? You like the beach, huh? It's pretty nice, huh? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, Ray, watch my bike. I'll be right back.
Hey, guys. You're at the harbor now.
Oceanside Harbor.
Yeah.
It's a
There's
nice
sailboat.
harbor.
Very nice. We drove over on the other side, checked it all out. It's real nice. Okay. So where are we, Beverly?
Dana Point Harbor at the top where the chart house is.
Hi, boys. We forgot your leashes, huh? We got an improvised leash. Well, that seems to work pretty good.
Actually, probably better than the other one.
Yeah, you're under control. Okay, let's go.
I've never been up here.
You haven't?
Huh.
Oh. Well, how's that look? There's some kayakers down
There's
there.
kayakers down there. Looks like we could go right over there, see?
Yep. A little beach there. That'd be perfect.
You guys want to go kayak, dogs?
We're gonna take them with us?
Sure.
Okay.
Kayak dogs.
Okay. Let's go be kayak dogs.
If they're inside our kayaks, they'll be okay.
Yeah. Go on then, but they don't want you to run on the beach. Okay. Well, this is where we'll launch. Yeah, that'll be good. Look at the tall ship over there. Well, it's not a real tall ship, but it's a... Yeah, I'm not sure I'd like to have a house up there with a 9.0 earthquake. Well, we ready to
Glad
go?
I brought my jacket.
Yeah, it's a little on the
Nippy side.
nippy side.
You guys ready to go?
Hey boys, having a big kayak day, huh? Was that exciting? Kayak dog?
You're salty dog.
Is that exciting being a kayak dog, Salty?
Are you still thirsty, pet? Salty dog, come get a sip.
Yeah. Little box over here.
Here's salty dog. Look, look. Salty. Look. Salty.
All of it packed up the kayaks, ready to just put them on top of the
Come
truck.
Come here.
It's a real nice day out here. Hey biker dogs. Where are we, Beverly?
We're at Dana Point Harbor.
And this is the
Fishing docks.
yeah, this is where the fishermen go out. You guys being good biker dogs? Biker dogs? Yeah, good biker dogs. Kind of a fog bank coming in, huh? Is that a seal out there? Bobbing around? Probably is. Hi boys, where are you?
Good job, Ella.
Well, they have little dogs in there. You gonna?
Hold on, hold on. Say hi. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Nice. Be nice. Aw. Puppy Joe. Little puppy Joe. Hold on. Be nice. Be nice. Oh, he peed right on you. Coco?
Yeah.
That's salty and that's pepper.
Oh.
Well, here comes another doggy.
Oops, here comes another doggy. Wait, he may nip at you. Put your hands down. Just give him a chance.
Calm down, Pepper. Pepper.
What's he humping? Is Coco a male or female?
Female.
Girl? Oh, I don't know if they really know about females. Pepper? Be nice. No.
Pepper.
They're not really accustomed to being out in the open for anything.
Yeah, neither. Well, we've only had her a month, so.
Oh. She looks like a real sweet little dog. Coco.